How to change Siri name on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to change Siri name on iPhone. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. For some reason, if you want to change your Siri name, then unfortunately, there is no such way as of now that you can change Siri's name to something else. However, you can change the name that Siri uses in order to address you on your iPhone. In order to do so, go ahead and launch the Settings application on your device. In Settings, scroll down and tap on the Siri and Search option. Now, tap on My Information and select a name from the list. Once you select the name, you will now be able to change the name that Siri uses in order to address you. So, this is the only method regarding changing name on Siri. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.